Hey, you are listening to Dream 100 Business Show podcast with Savita Hosamane. Dream 100 Business Show welcomes you to this podcast where we are diving into a topic that can transform your networking efforts. How to bond after the first few meetings in networking. Building meaningful connections isn't just about exchanging business cards. It's about nurturing relationships that can lead to long term growth and collaboration. So let's get started. Hey, you are listening to Dream 100 Business Show podcast with Savita Hosamani. We at Dream 100 Business Show are on a mission to help business owners to move to the next level in their personal and business journey by helping them to make smarter decisions. In this show, we decode what goes on in the minds of successful business owners during challenging times and how they converted their dreams into profitable products or services. After your first meeting in any networking event, you usually send a personalized follow up email or a message. Always try to highlight something specific from the conversation which you would have had with the person because that will add value. It can be like sharing a resource or an insight which is relevant to their interests and show authentic interest in their work or goals. Take the time to listen actively, and whenever you get a chance, don't hesitate to share something personal about yourself so that you will be able to bond on that particular aspect, and this will create a deeper connection. Once you have met, try to get connected on social media like LinkedIn or any other professional networks. You can keep engaging with their content by liking, commenting, or sharing. When appropriate, acknowledge their contributions publicly because this helps to create instant rapport. Always ask yourself, how can I help this person achieve their goals? Whether it's through an introduction, an advice, or a resource, being helpful strengthens the bonds. It is not only a formal meeting. Whenever you feel that you're striking a rapport with some person, suggest a casual coffee or a lunch meeting to deepen your conversation in a relaxed setting, or propose attending an event or a workshop together to build that rapport. Relationships require nurturing. So send occasional updates, celebrate milestones, and stay in touch with meaningful interactions. Working together builds trust and rapport. Offer to brainstorm ideas or assist with a project that aligns with both your interests. Acknowledge achievements, birthdays, or anniversaries. A simple congratulations or a thoughtful message can leave a lasting impression. I hope these simple yet powerful ways will help you to strengthen your bonds after those initial networking meetings. Remember, networking isn't just about what you get, it is about what you can give. And if you found today's episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Dream 100 Business Show podcast on your favorite podcast platform. Share this episode with a fellow entrepreneur who might need these steps as well. Also, I would like to hear your thoughts. Drop me a message on LinkedIn or Instagram at Savita Hosamane. Let's keep the conversation going and build our Dream 100 networks together. Until next time, keep connecting, keep growing, and keep dreaming big. See you all in the next episode of Dream 100 Business Show. Thank you so much. And as usual, we are always waiting to hear from you. Thank you.